Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to accurately calculate the area of any object or shape in AutoCAD. Whether you're working on floor plans, mechanical components, or lamp plots, knowing how to measure area precisely is essential. Let's walk through several ways to do it. The most direct way to measure area in AutoCAD is by using the area command. You can access it in three ways, or two. Either type area into the viewport area, then hit enter, or you can go to the command line and type it there. Or go to the Home tab, find the Utilities panel, select the Measure drop-down, and click on Area. If you selected the Measure tool from the Utilities Home tab, you can measure whole objects like polylines, circles, or even point by point. To measure whole areas like polylines, you want to go to the command line and type in object. Now, if you click on any closed object, you'll see the area. If you selected the area from viewport, you can right click and just select object. If your shape is irregular or not a simple closed object, you can define the boundary manually. Start the area command again. Instead of selecting an object, click on multiple corner points of the area you want to measure. Now, around the entire perimeter and press enter once you've enclosed the shape. AutoCAD calculates the area based on the points you collect, helpful for estimating zones that don't have a clean outline. A really powerful feature of the area command is its ability to combine or exclude areas. To do this, let's select area again, right-click, select add area, right-click again, select object if you want the whole objects, like polylines or circles. Then just click on the geometry you want the area to be combined. After you've selected all of your objects, press enter, and you'll see the total area. Now, to exclude, let's select area again, right-click, select add area, right-click again, select object, select the big circle, right-click 2 times, then select subtract area, right-click again, select object, and select the small circle. Now, if you press enter, you'll see the total area of the big circle without the small circle. Like this, you can subtract holes or cutouts inside your shape, like rooms inside a floor plan or slots in a mechanical part. These options give you full control over your measurements and are useful in more complex layouts. And there you have it, the three powerful methods to measure area in AutoCAD: object selection, point by point, and the add, subtract area tools. This will help you ensure your designs are precise, your quotes are accurate, and your workflow stays efficient. If this helped you out, be sure to like the video and consider subscribing for more in-depth CAD tutorials. You can also check out the link in the description if you want to support me, buy me a coffee. That's all. See you in the next one.